What's going on? This is the Thrift Cave. I'm Anthony. If this is your first time on the channel, which it most likely is because I only have like 3 videos up, I am a part-time reseller. I live in New York. I go thrifting. Woo, not good. Not a good thing. Alright, this morning we're doing something a little different. We are driving into work, which I never drive into work. Makes no sense. There's always traffic early in the morning. I'm going to go pick up some racks that my job was actually throwing away, so I asked if it's alright to take them home with me. They gave me a pass. They said, hey, it's fine, take as many as you need. So I took more than what I needed. So I have about 8 racks to go pick up, and I'll show you guys that in a little bit.
A little later.
Huge shout out to my job for letting me take home about 8 set of racks that I desperately needed for the office. Thank you so much. You'll be seeing me put this together for the next probably few hours, but I'll record a little bit of it. And we got a lot of organizing to do in the office. We are definitely expanding our categories. We are getting more inventory in, so we definitely need the room and definitely to organize, because we have everything down like on the floors in the middle of the aisle, so it's a little bit of a pain walking through. So thank you again. Racks on racks on racks on racks. Going down. Alright, we're back at the office, so now you see the mess behind me? That will be transformed in a couple seconds. Alright, we still have more to do, but this is what we did so far. New set of racks. No more bags on the floor. A little shipping station, which we're still going to put some more things. We may change this up, set some shelves up top as well. Got this rack here on wheels, so we're going to get more bins now. We'll be able to put, what, 4, 8... Wait, right? Yeah, 4, 8, 12 bins, possibly more. And whenever we need, we'll just roll it out and set more room for shoes and boxes and things like that. So we're good. There they go. We are back, and we are finally done building all the racks that I brought from work. A whole bunch of new bins, and as you can see, they're all labeled and some are inventoried. I had a huge deck pile that I needed to take care of, so I still have to list about maybe 6 to 8 bins of clothes that I haven't listed yet. But as you can see, new racks, Got this new rack in the back with all the boxes of shoes and some bins, so we could easily just roll that out. And we have one more to build that we're gonna put in the main office. So that's just gonna have like you know, supplies of, you know, paper, water, soda, seltzers, things like that that we have for refreshments and food and snacks. So that's about it. So all right guys, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Oh wait, am I the only one who smokes tequila? Tequila. For these new bins? Makes me so thirsty. Anyway, later.